Hello everyone. Today, I will show you how to renovate your lawn. This type of renovation is typically done in the spring or fall, but fall is the most recommended time because the temperatures are ideal for the lawn. Step 1. Mowing the lawn. I started preparing the lawn for renovation 2 weeks ago. I initially mowed it from 6 centimeters down to 5 centimeters for a week, and then down to 4 centimeters in the last week. This allowed me to mow it today at 3 centimeters, or even 2 centimeters. To start, I'll set the mower to 3 centimeters, and if I feel it's necessary to cut at 2 centimeters, we'll go ahead and do that. I've finished mowing at 3 centimeters, and it will be necessary to mow at 2 centimeters as well. After mowing at 2 centimeters, the next step is scarifying. After attaching the drum with spring tines, I'll adjust the level from here. I'll adjust it as needed during the process. It's important to note that I will make 3 passes, lengthwise, crosswise, and diagonally. After scarifying, the next step is leveling. Leveling can be done using sand, lawn soil, or any mixture you prefer. You can level with a lawn leveling rake, a similar rake that is straight here, a broom, or a wooden level on which you place some bricks or other weight and drag it behind you. For this leveling process, I will use lawn substrate, fine sand, and manure. The mixture will be as follows: 2 parts soil, 4 parts sand, and half a part manure. Next comes step 4, seeding. It's ideal to use the same type of seeds. After applying the seeds, step 5 follows: top dressing and fertilizing with a starter fertilizer. The top dressing I'll apply will consist of lawn soil, sand, and compost. After 14 days, it's time to mow the newly overseeded lawn. It was mowed 14 days later. And this is how it looks today. A pleasure. A real pleasure. Keeping it at 4 centimeters in the next mowings will make it even thicker. We'll have to see how it looks after another 3 to 4 mowings.